All right, everyone. So we are going to do just a very relaxing, short workout this morning. And we're going to do one inside. Because it's raining outside. And tomorrow, perhaps we'll go for a walk. I'll get you to sort of stand like a ballerina. This is going to be a mixture of gymnastics, warm-up, and yoga. So I'll just get you to take a nice deep breath in. And exhale. Now I'll get you to just sort of straddle your legs, bend your knees. Very, very slowly bring your forearms down on your thighs to rest them. And then pull your legs your feet in a little further into a full squat. And I'm going to get you to put your hands on the floor on your yoga mat. And now we're going to lift up and we're going to straighten our knees, okay? Fully. And we're going to just sort of hang here. Oh. Now I want you to bend your knees a little bit and let yourself hang. I'm going to hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And deep breath in as we come up. Exhaling. All right. So I'll just get you to widen your stance a little, straighten your legs. We're going to pick one leg, right? And we're just going to literally just slide our hands right down to our ankle. Grab the ankle and we're pulling our chest in toward our knee with our knees straight and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk to the center of the mat. Pulling your chest between your legs, straighten your knees, hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walking to the other ankle. Pulling your chest toward your knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walking yourself back up. Another deep breath in. And exhaling. Okay, now we're going to do a little aerobic exercise here. All right, we're going to bring our elbows to our knees. So we're going to do about 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now we're going to do a few hip abductors. So pick whatever leg you'd like to choose first. And we're going to be putting our knee up in front of us and then extending our leg out to the side. Do 10 on each side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, I lost my balance there. 7, 8, 9. Lost my balance again. And 10. Okay, and let's do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. Great. Now let's get down on the mat. Putting our feet together. Pulling your feet in. And pressing our knees to the floor. And we're going to do this 10 times, flapping just like a butterfly. 1, 2. You can tighten your stomach while you're doing this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. And so just press your knees into the floor here, just for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's stretch our legs out right in front of us. Knees straight. Empty your lungs first. Fill them up. And exhale while you're leaning toward what we're trying to do here is grasp our feet or our ankles and pull our chest in to our knees and holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. And just shake it all out. Now let's just go into a nice straddle. I'm going to reach for one leg and we're holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's one of the cats coming in. Walk yourself to the middle. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk yourself to the other side. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're going to do, hi bear. Hi. Hello. Sometimes I swear to God she says hello. Okay, we're going to do 20 of these. So hello. Thank you. So we're on 4, 5. Oh, thank you, bear. Hello. Hello. 6, 7. Hi, 8, 9. Hi, bear. 10. She says, Mommy, why do you keep going back and forth? 11. Hi. Oh, 12. 13. 14. 15. Thank you, Bear, for coming in our video. It makes something interesting. 16. You're the best part of our video, Bear. She says, whatever. 18. Sorry, honey. 19. 20. Okay, well, why don't we call it a day? And I'm going to cuddle up with Bear here because I think she needs a little love. She's got a little bit of alopecia, so she's losing her hair. I do see a little bit of new growth coming in, which I'm really happy about. I hope it continues, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching. Bye.